Let's say that you want to build a little Lego house. You can see by the picture it's made of a lot of pieces. That's similar to how in chemistry sometimes we need to build molecules that are made of a lot of pieces. In order to effectively build the Lego house, we would need all of these pieces. And we would need to be able to snap them together with the right amount of strength, and the pieces would have to be facing the correct direction. How statistically likely is it that we could pick up all these pieces and in one motion click them all together facing the correct direction? That seems a little bit ridiculous. We know that it wouldn't be possible. So instead, we put them together in steps. In chemistry, we call the steps the collisions that molecules actually go through to form a product, the mechanism. Lucky for us, Lego provides us with a mechanism. Notice in these stepwise diagrams, in each picture, we show two things colliding to form parts of the Lego house. It takes several steps, but we can eventually build that big Lego molecule. It probably wouldn't make a lot of sense to start with these pieces, since these pieces are not pictured in the Lego house. Similarly, when you write a mechanism or look at one, the ingredients or reactants that you begin with should actually be the reactants that are in the overall chemical equation. Like Legos, there are often more than one way that the collisions can take place, and that's why scientists propose different mechanisms. If you take a look here, you could start with step 1 and then go on to step 2 and then step 3, but you could also build this house different ways. For example, you could start by assembling the roof and work down toward the green base. If you have questions about mechanisms, don't forget to post them in our discussion in Schoology.